Welcome everybody to Green Lighting LED's presentation on the evolution of the recessed can LED light bulb. We have a number of different products that we've sold throughout the years, and we've seen the product line improve in major facets, including actually the heatsink, the diodes themselves, the drivers, and the optics. And we're going to show how each piece has improved from 2007, when LEDs were originally bright enough in white for general illumination, until today. The first recessed can LED light that we sold was our normal powered 5. And what that was it had DIP diodes interlaid over a flat surface and really no real visible heatsink on the base. So the overall life of the product was under 20,000 hours. And the light output was in the low 300 lumen range. Next, we improved to implementing surface-mounted diodes into the bulbs themselves. And what that allowed was better optics, better ability to have a range of beam angles with the product line, and a higher light output. This particular 7-watt diode was our first product to use Cree surface-mounted diodes integrated into the unit and increase the overall light output to about 500 lumens. A natural progression from that stage was trying to create an R-series type bulb, or a recessed lamp that had a frosted lens and an even beam spread. And we did that in a couple different stages. We started off with a globe version that was just under 600 lumens in a warm white, and then we even tried a glass covered version, all with an aluminum cast heatsink. And you can see the heatsink, how it's changed from what was originally the normal power unit back to the aluminum heatsink here. All still using here on the HPs, we're using a high-powered surface-mounted diode from either Cree or Samsung, depending on the unit. At this stage was when we began to have dimmable products, where the drivers had improved to be compatible with triac dimming systems. And so overall the product was progressing both from a heatsink, diode, and optical standpoint, with different drivers to allow dimmability with pulse width modulation dimming technology. Then Energy Star came out with a new standard a couple years ago, and that really changed the game, and it upped our ability to provide a higher quality solution. First off, we changed the lens to meet Energy Star standards, where these optics get placed directly over each diode, laid on a PC board on a brand new aluminum cast heatsink, which provided better thermodynamics for the product line. And by doing that, we met Energy Star standards. We have a full product line that meet Energy Star standards and get assembled with complex assembly here in the States to provide an American manufactured lighting solution. And that was the big change that we made, and we have a better improved driver and can easily warranty this product for 5 years full replacement warranty because of the quality of each solution. And you can even see how the diodes are changing over time too. These are both Cree diodes, surface mounted diodes, but just a progression in the technology. And actually this unit in my right hand has a higher lumen per watt, a higher efficacy than the diodes in my left hand, allowing us to have equivalent light with less units. And then as we move to the R-Series US Eagle product that gets assembled here, we see something very similar, where we are using now a plastic, very durable case to cover and provide a smooth lens light output, and we have officially increased our overall performance up to over 850 lumens, where we started off at the beginning in 2007 with only around 300 lumens. We've changed and evolved to have a higher light output with roughly the same amount of wattage. This is a 5 watt, and over our R series is about an 11 watt. The light output has almost tripled over that time period, and we're very excited about providing a quality LED lighting solution for recessed can light fixtures in your home, your facility, your restaurant from Green Lighting LED. From start to finish, Green Lighting LED has always provided a quality lighting solution. You know, originally the cost of these bulbs were much higher, where they were selling closer to $50, $60 a unit retail, because the DIP diodes had to be hand soldered onto the base of this unit, and it really had no heat sink, and it wasn't dimmable. Now we have full dimming technology, brighter units, faster assembly, faster creation of the unit, manufactured here in the States, and we're really excited to meet the ENERGY STAR standards that are improving the industry and allowing us to provide a better product at a better price from Green Lighting LED.